Hi all, Rishi here. Welcome back to the DeFi Lending series. Where we last left off, we had just calculated the interest rates of AAVE by hand using Desmos, right here. When calculated by hand, these variables on the left can be a bit unclear in how they affect the end result. These variables being so scattered doesn't really help us in building our understanding. So this is where the tool Machinations comes in. We organize all the variables into one diagram, where it's the optimal utilization rate, slope of the lines, reserve ratio, and the actual amount of tokens borrowed compared to deposited. So hopefully it's a lot clearer in seeing all the variables in one diagram and following the arrows to see how they interact. Machinations allows us to iterate through the pool and see how it evolves over time, especially if we continue to borrow more and more. So let's do the first example and see how things are calculated. Here we have 108.5 as we saw on this landing page here. And we have 129.74 million being deposited right here. And this gives us a utilization rate of 83.62. When fed through the formula, you can see it results in a borrow rate of 3.716% and a deposit rate of 2.8. Let's compare to the actual values, shall we? 2.79 and 3.71. Perfectly calculated. Machinations allows us to run a simulation across all the possible utilization rates with just one click. So let's run the simulation and we can see it in action. Here we can see the utilization rate sweep going from 0 to 100% to aid in our understanding of this concept. So as the utilization rate rises, the interest rates accordingly. All until you hit around exactly 90%. This is the optimal utilization rate. And the moment it goes above that, the interest rates rise very aggressively to punish outstanding balloons, encouraging them to pay them back and encouraging people to deposit and take advantage of the higher deposit interest rates. These aggressive interest rate hikes are one of the main mechanisms to encourage the features brought up in a previous video, arbitraging and flash loans. These mechanisms encourage healthy market participants to bring these interest rates back down to a healthy level. As the more deposits there are, the utilization rate goes down, and the more loans that are paid back, the utilization continues to go down further. These mechanisms encourage market participants to bring these back down to a healthy level. Look out for future videos where we go into features of arbitraging and flash loans in depth. That's been your Web3 Atlas. See you next time.